you get on the other side of the railroad. Yeah. Here we are. What street is this, by the way, that we're entering? And now this is what? Oh, what did we turn off of?
We just turned off Eldridge Street.
Eldridge. These are all the railroad overheads. D&H and YSW, Erie, Lackawanna. Right around the corner here, down the street, is the giant deli van up on a pole. Left there after a night in 1972. College bakers celebrating the opening of the new bakery tied one on and got their new delivery van stuck on top of the pole. You'll see it live in a moment. I believe you were there that night, weren't you? The night they
I'm the one that drove it up there.
Oh, okay, you're the guy.
I was drinking that night.
Yes. What were you drinking?
Vodka.
Vodka. That'll do it every time. In the moment.
I went right up the pole that truck.
I'm amazed that it stayed balanced up there all these decades later.
Just walk.
There it is. In the dark. There it is. Yeah. In the daytime it is much better. Here we are by the old Binghamton Mets baseball stadium.